Hold it right there. A little more to the right.
All right.
Okay, all clear, let's move. Vamos, vamos!
The flow rate on trough 3 seems a little high. Noted. I'll adjust the automated valve schedule after this round. Everything looks good on the monitor. Yes, the water quality is stable.
Vitals are stable, and the ultrasound confirms no anomalies.
Understood, Doctor. I've updated the central database.
Levels are stable, vitals look good across the board.
Confirmed. We are clear for release.
All right, this one checks out, clear for transport.
Confirmed, Doctor. Logging clearance now.
Got it. Increase the pressure on the forward jets. Copy that, adjusting now.
Check the thickness on that batch, please.
Looks consistent, passing to packing.
We need to increase the flow on line 3. All right, sending the next batch now. The grind looks consistent, nice texture. Agreed. Let's sign off on this lot. The calibration on the automated scale seems slightly off. I noticed that too. Let me adjust the sensitivity.
Watch the edge on your side, lift slightly. Got it. Should I mark this section here?
Check the thickness right here. Ninja, no. Looks good. 0.25, logging the data now. We have a slight textural deviation right here.
I see it.
Yeah.
Let's isolate this one before the wash.
Check the water pressure on line 3. It is optimal. The hides look much cleaner now. the rinse is complete, ensure it's perfectly flat when stacking. Understood?
Did you verify the thickness setting for this batch? Yes, it matches the factory specifications exactly.
The measurements match the spec sheet exactly. Yeah.
Confirmed. Moving this batch to the cart now.
Excellent grain quality on these pieces. Check the levels on the mixing system over there. Yeah.
Looks consistent. The color saturation is excellent.
Does this one match the specifications for the X5 series?
Let me check the label. Yes, it looks correct. We can stack it here.
Thickness is within tolerance.
Confirmed. Recording the data now.